Hey folks, so this is Shetz, and here's a review of what you did yesterday. So you had irregular shapes. What I did was I cut this across like that, and guess what? I know that this horizontal piece is 6, and if we know 3 of it, then guess what? This piece has got to be 3. So there you go. That's how I came up with 3 there. This top is a 3 by 6 right here, 18. And this little rectangle, again, you want to break these up into rectangles. This is 3 by 11, so that's 33. And we have another 3 by 6 down here. And when we add these 3 guys up, this one, and this one, we're going to get a 69 centimeters squared. So there you go for your first problem. And let's go to our next one. Now, here's what I did with this. I just put a horizontal line across here, and I'll do the same thing. The whole piece is 12, and this horizontal piece and this horizontal piece are both 3 and 3. 3 and 3 is 6. So guess what the leftover piece is? Also 6. All right, and then we also have a piece vertically. So right here, that whole thing is 8. I'll highlight it for you. And this piece is 4. So guess what? This piece up here, the purple, let me erase, the purple also happens to be 4. Okay. So this top figure is a triangle, 1/2. The base is 6 in blue, the pink, and then the height is 4. So half of 6 is 3. 3 times 4 is 12. And look at this down here. This is a 4 by 12 rectangle. 4 by 12 is 48. Add these up, you get 60. 60 centimeters squared. And remember, area is always in square units. Then we get down here and look at this top part. This top part kind of looks like a basketball foul shooting line. Well, this top part here is half a circle. So that is why I put 1/2 in front. 1/2 pi times the radius squared. Pi r squared is the area, but we only have half a circle. Now, you might ask, why didn't I use 14 here? 14 is not the radius, it is the diameter. And when you square 7, you get 49. 49 pi times 1/2. Guess what? That gives you 76.97. And notice the bottom rectangle, that's a 10 by 14. So that's 140. Grand total of 216.97. So for today's homework, you are going to do page 2 of this. 3 problems. It's up to you how you want to split it. You're going to need a couple horizontal or vertical lines, however you want to split it up. You could split it up like this. You could split it up like that. So here's a big rectangle and a triangle. You could use your trapezoid formula if you want. And maybe even easier, you could just go up here, and this guy's a trapezoid. So I would probably do that. But it's up to you how you want to do it. Okay, this guy, maybe you just want to cut here and here. You could do that, or you don't have to. Maybe some of you wanted to go across like this. You could do that. It's up to you. I don't care which way you do it. And finally, this guy kind of looks like upside down steps. So, if I did this, this would be one big triangle. And maybe you just want to do this, make it real easy. Rectangle, rectangle, and a triangle. There you go, folks. So you're doing part 2, page 2, slide 2 of irregular shapes. There you go. Have a great day.